Pero, nako, you're coming out on your own. Eto na siya. Okay, bago natin iwan yung kanyang kabataan, yung kabataan mo sa Amerika, nabigay naman yan sa'yo, yung ordinaryo at normal na buhay na ginusto ng mga magulang mo para sa'yo. So, it was normal? What was the best thing about living in the US?
I guess life was very normal. Walang may alam na anak ako ng artista, walang may alam kay Papa. And you know, I did the most normal things na I would ride a school bus going to school. Sometimes I would have to go walk home from the bus stop. And ano siya, na-enjoy ko na, you know, ganun ako lumaki. Mas na-appreciate ko yung anong meron ako ngayon. Yung mga nagagawa ko and the stuff that I'm able to achieve.
But they say, kung ano man yung nakikita mo sa mga magulang mo, karaniwan kung doktor ang tatay, magiging doktor yung anak, or nagkakaroon ng interes sa medicine, kung newscaster din yung anak, teacher, police.
Right.
So yung dad mo ay artista. So at a young age, sabi mo nagtiteatro ka na, mahilig ka na rin.
So, sobra po. As in, dati nung when I was in elementary, I would beg my dad, sabi ko, pwede po ba ako like, you know, cameo or something. I want to try out acting. Ayaw niya talaga. But in school, ang ginagawa ko, theater. I would always get myself into talent shows. Ever since I was a kid, I got into music. Instead of toys, ang nilalaro ko, piano, guitar, ukulele. So, nandun talaga yung interest ko, bata pa lang po ako. I love you, baby. It's quite alright. I need you, baby.
So when did you learn the guitar?
I learned it, I think I was in 5th grade nung natuto ko mag-guitar.
Talaga? So what do you think? Ang bata ba napipilit yan or talagang innate?
It's a funny story. My mom, nung bata ako, feeling ko, hindi naman sa sinasadya ni Mommy, pero yung mga toys na niregalo sa akin, nilalagay niya sa taas ng cabinet.
Hindi mo maabot.
Ang nasa baba lang yung mga instruments. Pero I have that interest din naman sa mga instruments. Pero para sa akin, siguro pwede rin naman siya matrain. So you can convince your kids to want to learn how to play the instruments. Isang ngiti mo lang at ako'y...
And you don't regret it, I'm sure, right?
Yeah, no, of course not.
Oo, kasi yun ang ngayon ang ano mo, yun ang yung kabuhayan mo, right?